welcome back to my vlog channel. So today's vlog is going to be more of a fitness workout. Nagpunta kasi ako sa Decathlon, and then may event after that for LGBT Pride Month nung June? Yes, June. So yun, so I decided to check out Decathlon kasi I needed to buy a gym bag. But I ended up buying a boxing dryer. Ano ba yung boxing dryer? Ano siya? Nilalagay siya sa loob ng gloves para literally matuyo yung loob. Kasi di ba after boxing, you sweat a lot. So, hindi ko na vlog, but I went to the specialty coffee shop along White Plains. What is the name? Common Folk yata yung name. Okay naman siya. It's a small coffee shop and they do serve good coffee. But third wave kasi yung concept. I'm not the coffee expert yet. I'm slowly infiltrating or immersing myself into the kind of cafes, yung walang middleman. At least that's what I understand. Yung payment is of cafes or mga nagbebenta ng coffee beans dito straight to the farmers. So mas malaki yung kikitain nila or natatanggap nilang kita compared to having a middleman. So yeah. So I'll give them props for the coffee, but the customer service for supposedly third wave cafe, at least that's what I know, or specialty cafe, wala. Kasi they don't know their beans, first off. Well, at least inakusap yung barista, so baka bago siya. I'm tired from work. I just finished my media work. And I decided to make an intro for this video or for this vlog. So yeah, what else? So yeah, I had fun sa Pride Month Zumba event. Ganun pala yung feeling, no? Kasi before, nung pinapanood ko lang yung mga mommies na nag-a-attend ng Zumba, parang ay baduy, ay ang corny. Tapos, nung in-invite ako ng friend ko, yung mom niya yung nag-organize ng event. Tapos, the proceeds goes to a charitable institution. I realized it's so much fun. And celebrating Pride Month, celebrating our sisters, the gays, the lesbians, and everybody sa LGBTQ community says a lot. It gives that awareness na kulang pa. And if that is how it is to be free, to be fully free, to live freely, ang sarap mabuhay. So, yes. Anyway, tama na satsat. So, here is my exercise day. And, yeah. Okay, back to me again. Because I decided to make a mini haul of what I bought from Decathlon. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung bag ha. Kasi pinalaundry ko to. Mga kasing laundry bag. Yung libreng Decathlon bag. And you get this when you become a new member. So, when you shop at Decathlon, you don't get to, you don't get a plastic bag for free or a paper bag for free. You don't have anything. So, all they have is an eco bag. So, better to bring one if you don't want to buy one. Kung hindi ka naman magpapa-member or bagong member. So, yeah. So, this is the Decathlon bag. Yeah, small lang siya. What did I buy? Here, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, this is my unboxing gloves. Yan. Tapos, this one is Venom or Venom. Somebody gave it to me. Nice, diba? And then, ito yung sinasabi kong dryer for the gloves. So, yeah. Yan. It's a good stand. Di ko alam kung nakaka-dry ba talaga. Kasi it really doesn't open it up that much. But it's nice na may lalagyan siya instead of just lying down. So, there. It only has one color. Wala nang iba. So, there. I bought it for, how much was it? 600 plus. Pasensya na guys hindi ako sobrang patandaan sa details. So, yeah. And then, I got some leggings for workout here. Wala. Okay. Ito ba? So, I got this on sale. I think it's around baka 400 plus or something. 400, parang hindi siya nasa 600. So, yun yung limit. It's very nice kasi look, may zipper dyan. And then, there's another zipper here. Here, so if you want to put something inside, like your money, your card, cellphone, hindi ko sure, hindi ko tinry. Pero dito kasya susi ng kotse. So, yeah. So, yan ang aking mini haul from Decathlon. Do I recommend Decathlon? Pwede na. Kung mahilig ka sa sports, adventures, and all that, yeah, why not? But if you're not much into those things, you wouldn't really enjoy it. I was expecting Decathlon to be bigger kasi it's supposed to be a warehouse, or it's a warehouse. But then, mas maliit siya. Tapos when I went there, ang daming tao. One thing that I like about Decathlon is that they have these mini football fields or parang bicycle or yung mga grass where you can try yung bike or ano sasabi ko, hindi grass. Yung different types of pavement ba yun? Mas may grass din eh. So matatry niyo yung mga equipments, yung mga bola and all that, matatry ninyo dun. Tapos, yun, if you want to splurge, tapos gusto nyo mamili ng mga pang sports, nandun na lahat. Parang mas marami silang pang pang hiking. Yeah, I think pang hiking madami sila. And then nagulat ako may surfboards, ang cool nun. And then, magulat ako lalo na meron silang pang golf. Kasi, wala lang. pang oldies usual. So, ayan. This is a short vlog. Hindi ako gaano nag-video that day kasi pagod ako. So, medyo tinatamad. Kaya, nag-mini haul na lang ako sa Decathlon. So, yes.